I'm going to show you in this tutorial how you can create a fast caption or captions or transcription captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what you have to do first is make sure you go here where you can see window, click on window, and here make sure you check text. And obviously before you do anything you have to import your video, but yeah, I'm pretty sure already familiar with importing a video in Adobe Premiere. And now here please click on transcript, and here please click on transcribe. Now you just have to wait a few seconds. Alright, and now just depends on your video. How long your video is might take more time, considering that you have also a good laptop or a good computer. So here we have the transcript, and what I like is that you don't have to type it manually, because you can also type it if you want. But yeah, now click on captions, and here, or you can also click on here, create captions. And now this is what we have here: subtitle default. Click on captions, and here what I like to do, maximum length in characters, to bring these to about, so it's not too long, the captions aren't that long, only to about 8, 9 or 10. And here I bring all the way down to 1.2, and here I just let it be here. I won't change anything here, gap between captions. And here, instead of double, I select single here, and now I just click on create captions. Now creating captions, and here if I play the video now, as you can see, I have the captions. I already have some captions in this video, but actually if I click on this video that I have here, or just move it away, you see there are captions here. I have the captions, and now it doesn't look that good, these captions, like it's too small. So what you have to do to fix this, make sure you select all the captions here, go to workspace, and make sure you select captions and graphics. All right, so select captions and graphics, and this is what will pop up. This is what you're going to see, essential graphics. And here I'll go to text, and usually what I use is something called this axis. Click on this and just increase now the captions. So now look at the captions, look really awesome. If you want it even bigger, and it looks really good. Yeah, so it's really fast, it comes really handy, don't have to type the captions manually, and can really save a lot of time. So I really hope you found my video helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more Adobe Premiere tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.